How to fix no sound in Google Chrome. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix no sound problem in Google Chrome. If you're trying to play something on Google Chrome but it's not playing, in that case you first have to check your sound settings. Right click on your audio and open up your volume mixer. Now once you do that, make sure that all of this is turned on. If you are having trouble only on Google Chrome, then in that case, you can try to play sounds in other applications or browsers and see if that works. But you basically have to change this over here. Now, once you have done that, there's one more thing we can check on Google Chrome. Head over to Chrome, tap on the three dots, and then simply head over to Settings. Once your settings is open, go to Privacy and Security. And here you can scroll down until you go to Site Settings. Once you open Site Settings, scroll down until you find this option, Additional Content Settings. Tap on it, and then go to Sound. Now, if this one is enabled, this does not allow any sites to play sound. So what you're going to have to do is, by default, the sites are not allowed any sound. So you could just go ahead and tap on this so sites can play sound. Now, if you want to add custom sites, you can add some sites that cannot play sound, and you can add some sites to allow play sound. So if I just head over here and add youtube.com, on this does not allow, then I'm not able to get any sound from YouTube. So if I just go ahead and open YouTube over here and try to play any video, I'm not going to be able to hear anything. So let me just go ahead and quickly open this up. And now if I play the video, it's not going to play any sounds. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.